If you're over 60, you probably know the feeling of trying to stand up from a chair and noticing that your legs don't quite lift the way they used to. Or maybe you've gone to pick something up and felt that your arms have lost a bit of their strength. For years, people were told this was simply part of aging and that nothing could be done about it. But that isn't the full truth anymore. Modern science now shows that your muscles can still grow, repair, and rebuild strength well into your 70s, 80s, and even 90s, if you give your body the right kind of support. You're watching Senior Health WellCare, where we share simple research-based guidance to help you stay strong, active, and independent at every stage of life. Before we begin, take a moment and tell us in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? I always love seeing our community connecting from around the world. So let's begin with something hopeful. Today, we're talking about 6 surprising protein foods that studies suggest may support muscle strength, even better than eggs, especially as we get older. And stay with me until the end, because the number one food has been shown to activate muscle-building pathways in older adults at levels similar to much younger people. Let's start with the first protein on our list. And it's something simple and incredibly affordable. I'm talking about lentils. Most people think of lentils as a budget-friendly soup ingredient, but for older adults, they can be a quiet powerhouse. They provide generous plant-based protein, and when you pair them with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, you get all the essential amino acids your muscles rely on to rebuild after normal daily activity. This is especially important after 60, when the body becomes less efficient at using protein and needs a gentle boost. Lentils also bring along iron, magnesium, and folate, which help support oxygen delivery and steady energy. They're easy on digestion, and the fiber they contain supports gut health, a key part of how well your body uses protein. A simple bowl of red lentils with a little turmeric is inexpensive, comforting, and surprisingly powerful. Many of our viewers have shared that adding lentils even a few times a week helped them feel more energetic during their walks and chores. Now, moving on to the next protein, let's talk about something tiny but mighty, hemp seeds. These small, soft seeds hold one of the most complete plant proteins available, offering all 9 essential amino acids the body needs. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which may help ease inflammation and support joint comfort. And because they're easy to digest, they don't leave you feeling heavy or bloated, the way some protein sources do. Hemp seeds blend effortlessly into everyday meals. A spoonful sprinkled over oatmeal, yogurt, or a smoothie can give your muscles gentle nourishment throughout the day. Many older adults appreciate how quickly they feel the difference. Less stiffness in the morning and smoother movement throughout the day. They're simple, natural, and incredibly senior-friendly. Let's shift now to a protein that works quietly while you sleep, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese contains a slow-digesting protein called casein. This type of protein releases amino acids gradually over several hours. That makes it an ideal before-bed choice, because your body does much of its repair work at night. As you sleep, your muscles receive a steady stream of nutrition instead of going long hours without support. A small serving of cottage cheese in the evening, maybe with a bit of cinnamon or some peaches, can help you wake up feeling more refreshed and less achy. It's gentle on digestion, comforting, and surprisingly effective for overnight recovery. And, speaking of creamy foods that nourish your muscles, let's transition into our next protein, Greek yogurt. This is one of my personal favorites for older adults because it brings together protein, calcium, and probiotics in one convenient food. Like cottage cheese, Greek yogurt also contains slow-digesting casein protein, giving your muscles a steady supply of nutrients. The probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut balance, which is incredibly important for protein absorption. The healthier your gut, the better your body uses the nutrients you eat. A simple bowl of plain Greek yogurt with berries or flaxseed makes a wonderful breakfast or evening snack. It supports your bones, your digestion, and your muscle strength all at once. Now, let's move into something humble but impressive: black beans. These small legumes carry a remarkable combination of protein, fiber, and minerals that help steady your energy levels throughout the day. Many older adults believe plant proteins can't match animal proteins, but black beans have an amino acid profile that can be surprisingly effective, especially when eaten regularly. One of the biggest benefits of black beans for older adults is how well they support blood sugar balance. When your blood sugar is stable, you feel more alert, more energetic, and less tired throughout the day. That means your muscles receive consistent support instead of experiencing dips and crashes. Black beans are also incredibly easy to prepare. Just rinse canned beans and add them to soups, rice dishes, or salads. They're simple, delicious, and surprisingly powerful for everyday strength. And now, we reach the final protein on our list, the one that continues to get attention in scientific studies for older adults. Let's talk about whey protein. Now don't worry, this isn't just for athletes or bodybuilders. Whey protein is actually one of the easiest and most effective proteins for seniors because it contains an amino acid called leucine. Leucine helps activate the body's muscle building switch, which tends to slow down with age. After 60, your muscles become less responsive to ordinary amounts of protein, a process known as anabolic resistance. Whey protein helps overcome that barrier by providing a strong, clear signal that tells the body to rebuild. Many older adults who add a small serving of whey isolate to their routine, especially in the morning or after a walk, notice better energy, better balance, and even improved sleep within just a short period. You can mix whey with water or almond milk and add berries or cinnamon for flavor. What matters most is consistency, because a little each day can support your strength, mobility, and independence in a meaningful way. So let's take a moment to reflect on everything we've covered. Lentils that power your muscles with steady, affordable strength. Hemp seeds that soothe your joints and provide complete plant protein. Cottage cheese that works through the night to repair your muscles. Greek yogurt that supports gut health and bone strength. Black beans that steady your energy and fuel your muscles naturally. And whey protein, the scientifically supported muscle activator that helps older adults overcome age-related resistance. These foods aren't expensive. They're not complicated. They're everyday ingredients that give your body the support it deserves. And the beautiful part is that you can start with just one of them. One small choice at a time builds strength, confidence, and independence. If this video gave you something helpful to think about, please give it a like. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which of these proteins will you try first this week? I'll always enjoy reading your replies. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health WellCare for more friendly, research-based guidance created especially for adults 60 and older. Here's to strength, energy, and a joyful, active life, today and every day ahead.